Hello and welcome to the Snickerdoodle Knits YouTube channel. I'm Jessica, the knitter and designer behind Snickerdoodle Knits, and in this video we are going to talk about how to purl through the back loop. If you are unfamiliar with how to perform purl stitch, I will link those video tutorials in the description box below. Alright, so the concept of purling through the back loop, basically we're just twisting the stitch when we purl it. So, as a quick refresher, when we purl, we bring our needle from top to bottom through the front loop, wrap the yarn around, pull the needle out, and slide the stitch off. We're going to basically do the same thing, but instead we're going to use the back loop on the back of our left needle. We'll do this by going around the back of the loop, putting our needle through from bottom to top, wrapping the stitch around, pulling the needle through, and sliding that stitch off. So again, we're going through the back loop by going all the way behind that stitch from the bottom of the stitch up to the top, wrapping the yarn around, pulling the needle through, and sliding the stitch off. So here's normal purl stitch and a purl through the back loop. Normal purl stitch and a purl through the back loop. Purl, purl through the back loop, and purl. So there you go. Essentially we have just twisted those purl through the back loops, and our purl stitches are like normal. I hope you have found this video helpful and informative and easy to follow. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to comment below. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell if you're interested in receiving notifications when we update new knitting tutorials. We hope to see you again very soon. Happy knitting!